Welcome everyone. Today we're making a delicious pasta dish, very delicate and tasty. Pasta with peas and mushrooms. For 2 people we need about half pound of peas. These are frozen but you can use the fresh ones. About half onion, 50 grams of butter. This is vegan butter but you can use the normal butter too. Half pound of short pasta. I recommend rigatoni or penne. A quarter of a pound of mushrooms. These are sliced shiitake, but you can use any type of mushrooms you like. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, plenty of Parmigiano Reggiano. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start cooking. The preparation of this sauce requires about the same time as boiling water and cooking pasta in it. The first thing we want to do then is to start boiling our water. We will need about 1 liter of water per quarter of a pound of pasta, so about 2 liters in this case. Let's start preparing the ingredients for our sauce. Chop the onion in a relatively small pieces, just like I'm doing here. Rinse your mushrooms under cold water. You don't want to soak them because these are fresh mushrooms, not dry. But definitely rinse them and let them drain the extra water. While our water is heating up, put some extra virgin olive oil in a large pan and add the chopped onions. When the onions start becoming slightly transparent, add your peas. Peas need to cook longer than our mushrooms, so we add them first. Sprinkle with some salt and add about half glass of water before covering the whole thing. Let the peas cook for about 7-8 minutes, stirring every once in a while to make sure they don't burn. If you see peas are sticking to the pan, reduce the heat and add some more water. Water is boiling now, so we can drop our pasta in it. At the same time, add the mushrooms to the peas. Stir a little and add some salt. Mushrooms need to cook for about 12 minutes, which is the same time pasta will need to cook. So it's perfectly timed. When our pasta water is boiling again, we can add coarse salt to it. We'll need 10 grams of salt per liter of water, so 20 grams will suffice in this case. If you see that your sauce is getting too dry, add a little of pasta water to it. When pasta is almost ready, add the batter to your sauce, stir, and also add some more pasta water. The starch in the water will blend with the fat in the oil and butter to create a nice creamy sauce. It's now time to put your pasta in the sauce, mix and toss. Make that Parmigiano Reggiano rain on top of your preparation and mix and toss. Delicious. You can add more cheese and sprinkle with black pepper to your taste. This is absolutely delicious. Enjoy your funghi and piselli and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.